ತರ ಇದು ಗರುಡ new one.
This one.
Yesterday only did launch.
Oh.
Cross off.
No parking. So hot.
God. Only why you can't get near.
Yeah. Okay. FH to Portuguese. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to AJ room, and this is AJ. Today we are at Batu Cave at Selangor, and I'm with Gashwin, motorcycle and sport. Tell hi bro.
Hi.
Okay, we are going to explore, and you all have to see the camera. See, it's very nice. Okay, see, now we are at Vinayagar temple. We are going to go to Batu Cave, Vinayagar temple. Okay, come on, let's see. Okay guys, see, the place is very nice, and you all have to see the Batu Cave. It's really very astonishing and amazing. You all have to see the Batu Cave bridge. And see guys, yeah, today at Batu Cave, I'm so happy. Look at the stairs. If I have a drone, I would shot it. And see the place. Okay, we have arrived. Yoke's Vlogs. Okay guys. Yoke's Gaming, I'm sorry. Yoke's Gaming. Okay, and Yoke's Gaming has arrived, my friend. He also do gaming. You all have to subscribe his channel. Okay, come on, let's see guys. We're going to now Vinayagar temple. Okay, let's start. Okay, we start. Okay, we are going to enter to Batu Cave. It's the first temple, Lord Vinayagar. Okay, I've opened my shoe. They have to open shoe and wash the lake. Come on, guys. They tell I have to wash lake because if didn't wash, they tell it's not good respect. So we have to wash. Come on, and you also have a view. Oh my God! See this. See this. Oh, this place we have to go. You have many things. Okay, come on, let's go. All my friends are waiting. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, and they are giving food also. See, giving food, and come on, let's go, guys. Okay. Have to write name. Oh. Okay, they have to write name. My name AJ. Number no. My degree is 36.2. Okay, let's enter. Okay. This is the temple. Okay, and we have to pray. This is the temple. This is the one of the using. All are standing. You all have to watch this. And my friends all are going to pray. As the Indian culture, they have to pray. So they have renovated this place as new. You all have to watch it. Come on, let's guys. Wow, look at this place. Okay, they have written something. Okay. It's really lot. See guys, today is a lot of people. They are only talking in Indian way. So we have to watch it all. So I don't know what to talk. So it's really very noisy, and we're going to play. This is the Lord Vinayagar temple, and we have to pray. Okay, let's see. Oh, here they have also. Oh my God, I zoom in. Okay. Okay, we are going to see. Oh, my friend has gone to buy something. Let's go to with him. And he wanted to buy something.
அர்ச்சனா கொடுங்க.
1 ringgit. 2 ringgit. Okay. Super. Super. Okay, we have to look it. Okay, we have to go. My friend tell it's pre-registration. He wants to do a thing. Okay, let's look it, guys. So I'm really very happy to be friend vlogs with my friend.
சாமி பேர் கொடுங்க.
Okay. He's doing prayer. But wait, until that, we have to pray this and go. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay. It's a time for us to pray. Social distance. And my friend has to pray here. Okay, come on. Oh, you have to give this. Can you see it? Okay, this. Okay, and okay, they have put for me this white color thing. They tell us a Tirunuru. We have to shoot. So this temple is, they tell Amman like that, guys. So I'll have to watch this. They tell they have to round at here. So we have to go now. Okay, look at. Okay, this is a really predictable pictures. What you all can see it and know. Okay, if you all know it, you all are great. Okay, you all have to pray. Yasin has prayed. Going up. Oh, look at the place again. They have built so nice. Wow, the place is very nice. Come on, let's go, guys. Wow. See the place, guys. Okay, we have to pray this as they tell. So much. Oh. Okay, my friend is praying. So you also have a temple. Sri Sundays. Okay. We're going to move on to other place. Oh, you also have. And look at here. And this temple has let to take photo and video. We have prayed there. So look at here. Oh my God, guys. You see it here. Oh, it's nothing. Sorry. Okay, today, okay, you also has temple. And today, we are not going to talk about anything. We just are going to do exploring. Okay, see it. Ooh, he's snapping photo. We are going to climb up. So, social distance. Oh, we have to pray. And this is the place of the he is scared because of his shoes. He left lost. So let's go get the food. Oh my gosh. That's where the shoes. Okay, come on. Okay, okay. Come on, let's go to the staircase place. Too many people snapping photo. Ooh. Okay, let's go up. Okay, wow. There are many people on here. See, guys, they are snapping photo. And there are also Malay people and Chinese people are visiting. Okay, let's start our concept. Okay, wait, I start my pedometer. Okay, wait. Okay, wait for a while, guys. Okay, we have to go down. There are many places. It's really, I guess. Okay, we are going to count how many. Okay. Oh my God, I forgot to count. Very naughty. We have to take. Okay, we go cheer up, man. Come. He's so tired. Okay. Come on, bro. Come on. He's so cheer up. We cheer up him. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Hey, bro. Bro, look at me. I'm dead. See you. Are you okay? No. Oh, it's give up. No, no. They're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Look it. Ooh, they're fighting. Ooh.
Riksha, come here.
Come on. We have reached. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have reached. Get the place. Oh my God. It's really shocking me. And Yogesh Shai Ferry. Oh, don't shout, bro. Be relaxed. He totally cannot wear mask. Is it real, bro?
Yes.
Yes, he's so tired. You, bro? Oh, bro, look at your behind. Your friend are sitting. Hi, bro.
Hi, bro.
Yeah. How are you doing? What's up, bro? And y'all have to see my video and support me to do a many vlogs and explore. Y'all watch. Yeah, it's important. Ooh, it's echo. Look at that. Ooh, it's red. It's red. Ooh, they have a temple. Sri Idumadu. Okay, look at up. Wow. It's really best. They have souvenir. If people who come here, they can buy souvenir. We'll have to watch it, guys. Oh, it's water. Come on.
Diksha, come.
Come on. Yuksha, come. And we have to wash our leg also here. So see this. And this place is really very bad smell because of pigeon poop. And come on. So, okay, yolks. We wait for yolks. Yes, we wait for yolks. Oh my God. Whoa, look at the entrance. Wow. Yolks has arrived. Okay, look at the entrance. Okay, come on, let's enter, guys.
Don't try this extreme challenge, okay, guys?
Okay, this is a challenge for us to come up and until the up. Okay, come on. Pray. Okay, they have a TV also. Okay, come on, come on. Okay, anyone do? This time they do. Okay, this is the best shot. Y'all look it. Wow, he's changing the flowers. Okay, see. There are many people standing. We shouldn't disturb them. We interrupt in them. Faster, bro. We need to climb our challenge. We have to finish our challenge. Wow, look it. They paint in gold. It's so bright, so you all can't see in the screen. They painted in gold. No people. Hey.
Wait.
Yeah. Okay, good.
So Ajay is now praying. You also praying.
Not pigeon, it's peacock, his pet. Okay. You have to know. Come on, come on. Okay, they have gift these. Okay, you take. So this is the white thing that's now we see. Wow. So see, he's giving that. The bro is seeing my camera. Let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Wow, she's cute. Okay, let's start our journey again to go up.
Don't put you up.
Why?
The up there, the one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Water.
Water it tell. Okay, let's go up. Many people are looking me weird because of I'm talking in English. Look at it, man. They are also up place. So we have to continue our journey. After this, we won't go up because this is the last stairs. So that's now we climb. It's the one of the how to tell longest staircase. I freeze over there. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Okay. Okay, you cannot, bro, you can.
What?
Come. Can I? Okay, they tell no shoes, so we have to keep shoes down. Let's go. Okay, this. Parla, kumala. Archana.
You want
Let's go. Wow, Kapil. Wow, there is. So there are many pigeons. We are going to take photo. Okay, it's so nice. Atal. So nice. Okay. I wanted to do a photo shot here. My friends are teasing. It's because they tell I can't take even a photo for good. I'll put in my video, this video. You all see my phone. All my friends are taking photo. Okay. So, are we going to take the... Hey, close. Okay, faster. We have to wear shoes and go. Okay. Okay, we have to go. I'm tired. It's okay, now mind, see it. Okay, we are going to sit this up. I'm tired, okay, man. We are going to buy shoes, okay? Oh my god, it's my watch, bro, okay? Our step is 2,609. Oh my god. It's 34 minutes, we have come up. Okay, watch it stop. Okay, let's go our journey. Oh, bro, have to wait. It's okay, come on. Wait for a while. Okay, our journey is finished. Bro, are you tired? No, he's not tired. I'm tired. Okay.
Uncle, come there.
Which side?
No, on.
I need a video. Okay, shooting camera. Rolling, sir. Action. Oh, it's water. The bro is talking phone. It's okay. You guys, oh, faster. Oh my
You
god.
don't have to wear shoe, I think so. Too late. Wearing the whole shoe. Yes, his new shoe ready.
To shoot. Okay, come on. Okay, I forget. You have a temple. It's okay, come on. Let's see. Okay, it's the donation box. Okay, you also have. Oh, we shouldn't wear shoe here. Okay. Come on. There are many people. You guys are faster. Oh, it's calling Yashwin. Yashwin, please go. Why? He's calling. Okay, yes, give his Bluetooth. Come on, let's break his Bluetooth. Okay, it's a challenge. Yogesha, I need to break your Bluetooth. 1, 2, 8. Talk. Okay, let's start. Sending 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and our pedometer is on. Okay, bro. 300. Oh my god, they tell. And look at the color from here. It's really nice. They have painted new. Where is car? You are bluffing, bro. My one more friend is coming on the way. So now I'm going to show a photo. We are in the stairs. Okay, look at the stairs. Okay, let's go. 1. Okay, our challenge start. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I win. They have lose. So the 1 ringgit I win. Oh, they have. So Jenny is finished. Now we are going to ask their opinion. Okay, their opinion. Okay, wait, our opinion.
The challenge is okay,
Okay, you feel okay the challenge.
but very hard because
Okay, we will do next challenge. We ask to now Yokes. Okay, stop. How is your opinion of we finish the challenge?
Challenge is extreme. The halfway
Yeah,
I cannot. The halfway I cannot walk
Okay,
because my leg is shake.
okay,
And this challenge is nice.
okay. Do you want to do any other challenge?
Yep.
Okay, we next going to another place with extreme. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, bro, see. Okay, do you all want to eat? Okay, come on, guys. We are finished. Okay. Okay. Our journey is finished. Now we are going to go eat. Okay. See you guys in the shop. Bro. Let's shoot. Okay, you all look, see that. They have Rajini Kavali. So this place where Rajinikanth came, actor Rajinikanth, no, you all don't know. You all see his movie. Okay, we are waiting for food. Okay guys, the food is arrived, so we start to eat. Okay guys, the food is finished. So our next is going to Lord Hanuman. So we're going to ask the place people who stand in the counter and my friend Karthi Vlogs has come. Open mask, bro. Oh, he's shy.
Hey, Papa.
See, Karthi Vlogs, bro. He just needs our explode.
Did you show your mask? Did you show your face? Let's click.
No. Okay. Okay, guys. Start up. Bro. When did Rajinikanth came here?
For Kabali shooting.
Kabali shooting, he came in.
Yeah, came in.
Then he sit in the chair, so
Yeah.
you all keep.
Yeah.
Okay, when he came again, you all open the wrap and put again and sit him.
No.
No, after that fully inside.
Yeah.
Won't be dust.
No, we put it in a wrap in plastic.
So you won't be dust. If
No.
again Rajinikanth came, you will
Yeah.
open or no?
Yeah.
Will open?
Yeah, we will open.
Okay, thank you for your opinion. Huh?
Thank you.
Okay.
Kabali shooting.
Oh yes, okay, please see.
Okay.
Okay, this the place. There's now the person who tell in the counter. Here where Rajinikanth came. You all can see the photos. Okay. That's it. Okay. Guys, look at that outlaw fish. Oh my god. Okay. My brother are giving food, so everyone has to give. Me. I'm not gonna give. Okay. Me food. Okay, no. Okay. Wow, look at that, guys. So there's now, that was the bridge, as I tell. So my friends are putting food. Bro, put food now. God or no? God, okay. So look at that. The food is so nice. Yes? The food is so smelly. The food is so smelly. And I'm waiting. So, Karthi Vlogs. Oh, don't forget to subscribe his channel. You type in. Okay. Link in description. I forget. Okay. He's doing many things. Yes, upload a new video about PUBG. You'll have to see that. Okay. All food enough. Okay, we are walking now. Okay, come on, guys. We are going. So there are many people here. So you have to know. Karthi, it's really very hard. What? Wow.
Covered for bus.
See, there are many bus. There are no people. There's no becoming time got people. No. Now there are people. Hey, you go into the not hot sun. Oh. Come on. See that. See that. Okay, this is the got peacock right inside, guys. There's peacock right.
Peacock's not here. Peacock's there. It's a parrot.
Okay, bro is telling that you have peacock, bird, many things. So have to. Oh, snake. Oh, snake. They also have snake. Okay, guys, let's go to see the what temple?
Garuda.
See, they have a section. How to see?
It's broken down.
What temple is that? Oh my God, look at that. Okay, Yogesha is coming. Are you all okay? We are going to. And I've been. It's a challenge.
That is been outside 3 times.
Okay.
No, it's a running challenge.
Running.
At upstairs.
I'll give one ringgit, but they all use.
Just walk.
Okay. Come on, guys. Let's walk. No. Yogesha, Yashwin is calling.
Hey, uncle.
Uncle. Ha.
In my calculations, this whole what gift is completely sponsored by what now? Nicole Paint. Because
Oh my
look how
God.
colourful is it?
That's why. Look it, guys. And look at this animal. It's a. Look at the animal.
What animal is this?
That's why.
It's like a dragon.
Just look how colourful that is. Yeah. I don't know if I can hear, but that is super colourful and okay. I mean that's good. After 10 years or something, they put the roof. Happy about that. Let's go there. So 3, 2, 1.
Nothing. And look at the place. It's very nice. And we have to go now down. How do you feel? Now we enter. It's closed. Do you feel disappointed? No. Do you feel disappointed? No.
Because we expected this and we know.
Oh, then I'm fit. Okay, we have to go to other place now. Come on, guys. Wow, look at the stairs.
From the tuition he come.
Sorry.
No, I actually came tuition and I went back to house and then I came back.
Oh,
I
okay.
came from home, but he get tuition there.
That's right. He wear tuition. Look at his tuition dress. He's well like going for a ride for motorbike. So nice, right? Okay, his name. Karthi. Karthi. What? Oh my god.
How is it dead?
I guess.
Someone Google says who? Because my boss
Look
is
at
too
this
long.
one. So nice. How do you think about the statue? Pause. Angry. He show his face. Oh my god, he show his face. Go on. Okay.
So let's Google it.
So we see his photo.
What is the height of the Murugan statue in Pakistan?
What is the height?
What did it show me? What is the height of America? I hate you,
Show
Google.
this.
I hate you, Google.
Oh, you tell it straight.
Google is little user.
I think it's nearly. Bro, what time now? What time?
2:37 now, camera.
2:30. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys.
Let's to see this.
They are training now. So see. It's a drone. It's a drone.
பத்துமலையில் வாழும் முருகா ஐயா பத்துமலை தீபாயோ
It's an Indian culture.
பத்துமலையில் வாழும் முருகா
Can you all listen my voice, guys? Okay, what do you feel? Oh!
மல்லேசியா தாய்நாடு கோலாலும் மல்லேசியா தாய்நாடு
What do you feel? What do you feel? What do you feel? No, no. Guys, it's so noisy. Guys, our video has end today. Today I do exploring in Batu Cave. So if you all enjoy my video, hit a like. And you all want to know my new videos and you all want to support me to do this video again, you all have to press the subscribe button and your vlogs. Okay? Tekan lonceng, the bell button. Okay, bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video.
See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.